Hello students. Today we want to talk about how to give different page numbers to one document. You will open MS Word file. You will go to insert, then page number, then format of page number you will select. Where is page break and section break? Open MS Word, go to layout. There is the option of breaks. There is page break and then section break. The purpose of section break is that it is used for different formatting different page numbers. Use at two places in the thesis. Use in the end of initial pages to give different page numbers to introduction chapter. Use after last reference to differentiate between references and appendix A. Page break. It just takes text on next page. It will not affect page number and formatting style. You should use it between table of content and list of figures, between list of figures and list of tables, between list of table and abstract, between chapter 1 and chapter 2 in the same way, between chapter 2 and 3, between chapter 3 and 4, between chapter 4 and 5, between chapter 5 and references, between appendix A and B. When you do all this, you should remember that obviously your page numbers have changed. When you take that chapter to the next one, update page number. This is very important. You will update page number on three places: in table of content, in list of tables, and in list of figures. Theoretically, we have discussed these things. Now I give you its practical. Look at this file. Here is this format of page number. First of all, go to insert, go to page number. Here is format page number. Click on it. Now you have given it to Roman numbers. Look at, they are Roman numbers. Okay. Now we are going to, first of all, first demo will start from section break. Okay. Our section will change here, section break. Come to layout. Then there is break. Click here. There is section break. Read here. Click here. Okay. Here is section break. Okay. Look at, here I want to give a different page style. Go to insert, page number. Format of page number would be this one, 1, 2, 3, and continue from previous section now. Start here and look at, here is number 1, Arabic numeral, and look at here, here are Roman numbers. Okay, so I have given a section break between initial pages and chapter 1 introduction. Okay, now next section break would be given after conclusion and after references. References are also heading 1. Okay, so come to, I told that here is the last reference. Now come to layout, come to breaks. Again here is section break. Click here. Now come here again, insert page number, format page number. This is and start at 4. Previously we were having 3 pages, and here is okay. Look at, so look at, there are 3 different page number style, and section break has also been done. Now our next part is difference between now we are going to discuss the other part, that is page break. This is page break. Look at, it will take to the next page. Look at, appendix A is on one page, appendix B would be on next page. Okay, in the same way, come here. This was table of content. Okay, this is table of a list of tables. Here, click here after the last page number. Come to break. Here I need page break. Look at, abstract has gone to the next page. Now again come to this section, literature. Here chapter 1 ends, here chapter 2 starts, but it should not be in thesis. Just I have put my cursor in the end of the first chapter. Come to page break. This is page break. This heading, look at here, page break. Look at, it has gone to the next page. Again come to the third chapter. Look at, this is also on the same page. Now click here and enter page break. So it has gone on the next page. So look, fourth chapter is also on the same page. Now chapters should be on separate pages. Page break. Now come to conclusion. Okay, now conclusion section should be on the next page break. Okay. Now come to references. They are already on the next page, but even if you want to give, it's fine. No, Control Z, come back. Okay. Now I want to show you the format of the entire research paper. Look at, I want to show you the full here. Here, just click here, update field. Update entire table or update page numbers only. Okay, look at, this is absolutely fine. Table 1, table 2, table 3, like this. It is here. Abstract is on Roman. Introduction, now 1, 2, 3 page numbers have started. Okay, if you want to take this section, okay, here is, look at here. So here are Arabic numerals. You can, we are going so fast. Look at, literature review is on the next page. I'm showing you quickly so that you can understand how to give page break and section break. Remember this point again. Section break changes formatting, and we give section break only twice. Once after initial pages, once after references. Then we go to page break. Page break means it takes it separates one chapter from the second one. So look at, here, fourth chapter. In this way, I show you the next one, conclusion. This is on the next page. Okay, so this was the difference between section break and page break, and how to give different page numbers to different parts of the thesis. I hope if you follow the same style which I have done, you can easily give different page numbers to different sections of your thesis. Okay, thank you so much. Still, if you have any query, please feel free to ask. Thank you so much. I'm here to help you. You can comment here, or you can send me an email, and I will provide you all academic assistance. Thank you so much.